Okay, let's go over how we can use the find formula to evaluate text within a field such as the genre field. So I'm going to put my cursor into cell L2 here on the screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is type that formula. As you'll notice, anytime you're doing a new formula, what you can do is you can simply type the formula name, open parentheses, and then Excel will provide you with this helpful starting text. Now, there are three arguments to the find formula. The first one is the find text. The second one is where we're searching within. And then the third is telling Excel at what point within the search field do we want to start. So what I'm looking for here is I want to find the word fantasy. I want to search for the word fantasy within this specific cell. So I'm going to click on cell F2. Then I'm going to do comma, and I'm going to say number 1 because I want to start at that letter D. And I'm going to do close parentheses. Now I'm going to hit enter. Now this can be a little scary looking if you first see it. It's a value error, and all this means is that Excel evaluated this field for the word fantasy and it didn't find it. That's all that this means, okay? So it's not meant to be conveying that you did anything wrong. It's simply Excel saying that it did not find the value. Now what we can do is, I showed this in class, we can drag this formula down. I'm going to highlight the lower right corner of the cell, click down, and then I'm going to just drag down. And you'll see that I do finally hit an actual number, and that's for this cell here. Now the number 17 versus the number 20, why are we getting those numbers? Well, here's why. What the find formula does is it looks for the word fantasy, because that's what I'm providing it as a search term here. It looks then within cell F11, and it's going to do the following. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then the 17th character in this string is the start of the word fantasy. And that's why we're getting the number 17 here. Okay, so that's the find formula.